Hello, it's Thursday, which is a drop in craft, and today we are going underneath the sea and we're going to make a jellyfish. This is how we're doing it. We need a bowl or a paper plate, and if you take a paper plate, you can cut the ends and then fold them down. I'm going to color mine with my Dippin' Dots. You can use markers, you can use paint, you can use crayons, whatever you need. I have all kinds of curling ribbon, scissors, I have regular glue, and I have a glue stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to color with my Dippin' Dots my bowl. Green one. Make a lot of noise. Lots of noise. Did you ever see a jellyfish when you go to the beach and they're in the water or on the sand? I want to stay away from them because sometimes they can sting you. That could hurt a little. I'm just going to make mine two colors. I think I'm going to make green and my fuchsia color. What I'm going to do with this one is I am going to cut around the rim of my bowl. So it looks like that. Then I'm going to make sure it's dry. I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue my ribbon around the bottom to make the tentacles on my jellyfish. I'm going to go all the way around. You can use as many colors as you want. This is all I had in the house today, so I'm just using these colors. You can make a pattern, you can make them all one color. This. Sometimes it's better to use the liquid glue because it sticks a little better, but I've already started with this one, so I'm going to finish it with this one. There's my jellyfish, and what do we need? We need eyes on my jellyfish. So I'm going to take my two sticky eyes, I'll put it on my jellyfish, and there you have it. You have your own jellyfish. So the next time you go to the beach, you can take your own jellyfish with you, or you can look for jellyfish on the sand in the ocean. Stay away from them. I will see you next week. Bye.